Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. Suppose that first derivative of the function f of x is greater than number 0 for all the value of s belong to real number. Let 3 of s equal to f of 2s minus s squared for all s belong to real number. Then on from number 3 to number 5. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we have the function in here. Now we need to do first the derivative of this one. We know that if we do first the derivative of this one, we continue do first the derivative inside of the function. First derivative of 2x, you got about number 2. First derivative of s squared, you got about negative 2s because we have the negative sign here. Now let's consider about the interval from number 3 to number 5. We know that first derivative is always greater than number 0. So that means when we put anything number of s in here, they always about positive. Now we will consider about this one. Now we have s and 2 minus 2s from negative infinity to positive infinity. I want to check about the sign of this one. So the first thing we need to do, we put about 2 minus 2s equal to number 0. So I will put negative 2s go in here. You got about positive 2s, and later that we divide both sides by number 2, and you got about 1. And then we put number 1 in here. We know that this is about negative number 2. Negative number 2 is smaller than number 0. So the sign of this one should be about negative. And this one you got about positive. But we consider about the interval from number 3 and number 5. So number 3 and number 5 in here. So that means everything from this area is about negative. So this one, they always negative in here for this interval from number 3 to number 5. So because this is about the negative, we can consider that this one is negative on the interval from number 3 to number 5. And now we create about variation table, or we can write about table of variation. So I will draw the table in here. So we just consider about the interval from number 3 to number 5. And we know that this one, you know, this is about negative side. Because this is about negative, the value of 3 of number 3 in here, 3 of number 5 in here, that should be about decreasing on this one. So based on this table, we can see that this one should be about the maximum. This one should be about the minimum. And now we can get the final answer for the question. This is the end. Thank you for watching.